In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove pin on kids profile in Netflix. So if you had set a pin on your Netflix account for your kids and you'd like to go ahead and remove it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. So first, go ahead and exit kids profile for you to be able to make these changes. To exit kids profile, you can either click on exit kids or you can just go ahead and tap on your profile icon, and this will take you to the other profiles. As you can see, my kids profile has a pin lock and I'd like to remove it. So I'll head to my main profile, and it is from here that I'll be able to manage my kids profile. And here I want to remove a pin. So I'll go ahead and hover over to my account here and then choose manage profiles. So from here, go ahead and choose the profile that you wish to manage. I want to manage my kids profile here. I'll tap on it. Head over to manage profiles and preferences and then choose profile lock. As you can see, currently it is on. I'd like to remove it, and to do this, just go ahead and tap on it and then choose this option, delete profile lock. So if you tap on this, you'll be required to enter your pin to confirm it or to edit it before it is removed. Now you can see my profile lock is off, which means it can be accessed without having a pin. So that's how you can remove profile lock on kids profile in Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.